So hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about image maxing. So let's say we want to max this image now. What we'll just do is just bring in like an ellipse, or let's say for example we want to use an ellipse to max this. So we've already created a circle and I'll just center this properly. Let me make sure that the guy's face is kind of like visible. You see, this is the area I want to max. So now what I'll just do is just come over to the layer panel. Since the image is below this particular ellipse, what I'll just do is just drag this particular image to the top so that the ellipse becomes or stays at the back. So I'll now select both of them. Make sure you select both of them. Then I'll then go over to the maxing option, use as max. So I'll just select use as max. So you see, that's very simple. That's the easiest way to actually max an object. So you just make sure that whatever shape you want to max it into is beneath the particular image. So as you can see here, you can see the max group. It has created like a max group basically. So now you can see the ellipse. This is the ellipse shape. You can adjust the way you want the ellipse to actually look. Or you can even adjust the image itself. We can just select the image and just adjust it the way we want it to make sure that it fits in. So that's basically it about image maxing. So see you in the next tutorial.